Francis Xavier Engineering College, Tirunelveli is one among 125 institutions in India to receive 5-star rating for innovation by the Ministry of Education. Get enrolled and experience unlimited learning.
Friends, I am Lorinda. These are my teammates Abhinaya, Deepa and Deepika. We are from EC department, Francis Xavier Engineering College. We are here to demonstrate our project Keypad rollout system.
The Arduino is an open source microcontroller board based on a microchip AT-328P microcontroller and developed by Arduino.cc. The board is equipped with a set of digital and analog input or output pins that may be interfaced to various expansion boards and other circuits. It can interact with anything that is controlled by electricity. It is mostly used for designing basic circuit diagrams, develop projects and automation system.
Matrix keypad is used as an input device to read the key pressed by the user and to process it. 3x4 keypad consists of 4 rows and 3 columns.
Servo motors are used to control the device using the signals from the Arduino board.
LCD display. They display the sensor data from the input given from the user.
Now the circuit is connected and the program has been dumped into the Arduino board, and now we'll connect the adapter to get the result. Thank our faculty in charge, Mr. S. Iseki Rajaver sir.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.